recently at the HOUSTEX Advanced Manufacturing Conference held at George R. Brown. Top manufacturers showcased their products and services. HCC was there to exhibit our educational values.
So we're at the HOUSTEX Convention, which is a tool show, comes here every 2 years to Houston. And we also, SME, which is Society of Mechanical Engineering, I think, may not be right on that. They also are here. They've created a student section. They're trying to get students interested in manufacturing. So we're here to help with that. So we actually have 2 booths at the show, one for the students and one for the general public. The students are doing pretty good. They're pretty fascinated with what we do. We've had several people, actually some of the adults coming through here also, who said they want to come see our lab. So that's really good. The second one is trying to get students interested in engineering. So I've actually been talking about the UT Tyler at Hayes Road, and they're really fascinated with that. They should be. So we've been hitting them from different aspects of the school, and actually had one of our own students. So for the HCC student came through, and he didn't realize we had our lab. And I went, well, you're an HCC student right now, right? And he goes, yeah, you can come use our lab now. You don't have to pay a dime extra. You just pay your supplies, come use the lab. I actually gave him one of our cubes. So I'm like, you're one of our students, here, have a cube. So we've had some local schools that said they want to come and see us now. So the show is good because of the student aspect as well as the public aspect.
So the whole opportunity that STEM education provides us is to change the way that people like I learn and the folks that are going through CTE learn. So, we're sort of meeting in the middle here. The UAV challenge behind us really brings in the thing that a lot of people think about when they think of drones, which is piloting. So we've got a couple FAA drone licensed pilots here working with these students behind us. But more importantly, we actually are bringing in the design cycle for the students. So whether they're interested in drones or vehicles or any kind of science or engineering out there, they need to understand the design cycle. So we have them designing propeller, testing and getting some feedback, and then making some decisions based on the data we're gathering as a group.
Right, and with our software, we're actually the most widely used CAM system on the market. So what we do is we try to educate the students so they can come out of school and have the opportunity for gainful employment. If you know Mastercam or you can CNC program using Mastercam, you have a very good opportunity of getting a job right out of school, whether that be college or even right out of high school.
A lot of people don't necessarily look to a 2-year college for up-and-coming technology. They look to the 4-year colleges, and that's not true, particularly in manufacturing areas. Quite often, the 2-year colleges can actually change more nimbly than a 4-year college can, because they already have all the programs in place where we can actually change and spin on a dime easier than they can. So, particularly in my area, the fabrication lab, they don't know we exist. So just getting out here and telling them we exist, it's a big deal. It's really important to us.
For more information of the Center of Excellence of Advanced Manufacturing, visit hccs.edu/manufacturing. For Stafford METV, this is Rey Molano.